made it.
He's got everything.
We made it. This is a new Easter bunny brought this.
Oh yeah.
It's kind of like the slingshot. It's an Orby gun.
Hi. Happy Easter, by the way.
I was checking in, and they're like, name. I was like, Matt. They're like, that's the best site in the camp.
You know what they said?
Oh, yeah, that's what they said.
It is the best site. I guess for a map.
What's up?
What's up?
How you doing? We were down the last time we were here. We were like down that way a little bit, but there's no one around us everywhere.
So there's no one.
You have two choices, me or Coke. That's how this way goes. All right.
I can't do it. I can't. When it is hot and low. I got that. Like certain things, you know, certain things you're like, I can't. Like,
Dad, watch my dad.
Hold out.
Yoo-hoo, what? I couldn't help. Two, one, go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Lana. Happy birthday to you.
Yay!
Good job, Kona.
Baby.
Oh, she's-
Lana's birthday today, sir. You, everybody. Oh, yeah, that looks good. The chocolate is the best part. I know. Because I want to read the story of how it was originated. Yeah, because you do your history.
A what?
How it originated, yes.
How what originated? No one knew to go Thursday. If we had known to go Thursday, though.
Hey, what about me?
That's like being sick.
What about me?
Good morning. It's Tuesday morning. Just spent the first night down here at Bellplain. Looks like Kevin's up. I slept in the truck last night. Oh, the girls had the camper. Kevin and Jason were in one tent and Cody was in another. So, looks like everybody's up and at 'em. So I'm going to go out and join the party. I got my coffee already. And the weather this week is supposed to be perfect. It was gorgeous yesterday. And the rest of the week looks just as nice, if not better. So, really excited. We're going to spend the whole day with the Lydics down here. And then, I don't know, maybe my dad might come down. I'm not sure yet. But just finished up a little devotional. Got my coffee. And, yeah, we're going to go make it happen now. So, peace out.
I was in my
Dad, sleep. You sleep good? Go right here.
Reverse!
Yep.
I don't want to type anything up.
Here's go
I
next
don't want to have to go to all the time.
You can't see us so high. Yeah. Hi, lads. This is our way. Got spicy tuna. Yeah.
Take your hair out. Oh, yeah.
Happy. English happy.
Check the box. Check the box.
This is a good thing. Thanks for things on my list. Yay! Big day!
We're just getting started. We're just getting started.
We're just gonna come with me. I have 2 things to get.
See you, Jason. Everybody sleep.
Yay! So good! So good! So good! So good! Yeah!
Oh, you went all the way in, didn't you? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go.
I'm gonna do it, Daddy. I'm gonna do it.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Mom, I want to get dressed. Could it sign that I like John?
I don't.
Ew. It looks wet.
It's Wednesday afternoon, 3 o'clock, and the kids are on the playground right over there. Sheena, probably can't see her, but she's out for a paddle right about over there. And look at this day. It's about 84 degrees, no humidity, sunny, and not a single cloud in the sky. Pretty much doing it all today. Mountain bike ride, run, workout, paddle. Kids actually swam a little bit. They're on the playground right now, hanging out at the beach. This has been an epic camping trip so far. We still got 2 days left. Bellplain State Forest is it's next level. Pretty much offers you everything. So we're super excited. This is our second trip here, and we're loving it. This is the first time where it's been like nice and hot. Didn't know it was going to be like this. I probably would have bought more paddle equipment, but whatever. Everybody's still having a good time. So we're going to relax here for a little bit, and then we're going to go back and get some dinner. But man, this scene, look at this. Look at that scene. It's awesome. So I'm gonna sit here and enjoy this for a little bit, hang out, and I think we're gonna go back and get some dinner. Loving it. Can't beat it. Woo!
Let's watch the parents argue.
That's the colors you picked. I picked teal.
You picked Daddy. Daddy's a girl.
Those are endless summer colors.
Mommy and Daddy got sunburned. Daddy got it up here.
No, he gets headaches. I think he's probably dehydrated, not used to the heat,
Mommy
and
got
starved.
it down on the leg. No, I gotta show you.
Need a good night's sleep.
And the other one?
This one's not as bad. Right there. Right there.
And then Alana here, on her birthday, got that scratch on her eye. Look here, show me their eye. So rough, sunburn, and all that. I was picking. Eee. Watch when they.
Thursday morning. Look at that sun coming up. What a perfect morning. This whole trip has been absolutely incredible. It was in the 80s yesterday. It's going to be in the 80s again today. And look at that. Not a single cloud anywhere. It's crazy. Unreal. Such perfect weather. I just rode down to the lake just to get a little glimpse of that beautiful sunrise. Perfect. So, not sure exactly what's going to go down today, but I think it's going to be fun. Yesterday was great. So I'm sure we'll just figure it out again. But look at this. But yeah, so beautiful. So I'm gonna go back, enjoy my coffee, get some breakfast, and see what we're getting into today. Peace out. We're down here in Ocean City. It's about 85 degrees out, but the water is about 50. So it's frigid cold, and Cody and I are committed to doing a head first dive in the water. You ready for this?
Yep.
All right, what are we counting down?
10.
Okay, you're gonna count, okay? Ready? This wave here. Ready? Set. Go. Good morning. This is the last morning here, so we're actually rolling out today at noon and just taking Kona for a little walk right now. Another perfect morning. We've been here since Monday and there has not been a single cloud the entire week, and now it's Friday, so just super awesome, and we're super pumped. Couldn't have to go to the bathroom. But yeah, it's been just a wonderful week. Love this campground. I don't know. We don't have to be out of here till noon, so I'm sure we're gonna still make the most of the day and try to get as much in as possible. Definitely don't want to rush out here, but got a lot to do back at home. Got a birthday party for Alana tomorrow, so I don't know. Yeah, I'm pretty sunburned too, but that's a good sign. So I'm just gonna walk down the lake real quick, enjoy my coffee, take the dog for a walk, and then I don't know, we'll see what happens today. Maybe Sheena and I are gonna go for a run or a bike ride or something, but yeah, this has been a wonderful trip. Feeling super grateful and super blessed right now. Peace out. You guys have a good time?
Yeah.
You want to do this one again?